How to create a subdomain in GoDaddy. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to create a subdomain in GoDaddy. Let's get started. First, head over to GoDaddy.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your domain settings and click on Manage DNS. Scroll down to the record section of your DNS settings. Click Add to create a new DNS record. In the host field, type the name of your subdomain. For example, I'm gonna use section. In the points to field, if you're adding an A record, enter the IP address you want the subdomain to point to. If you're adding a CNAME record, enter the destination URL. This could be another site or a platform like Squarespace or Shopify. Leave the TTL as the default unless you have a specific reason to change it. Click Save, and that's it. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the changes to fully update. Once everything's set, just type your new subdomain in the browser and it should be live. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.